Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to create an API key on Gemini. So let's start. First, let's go to Google and write this Gemini API key, and then let's go to the first option that says get a Gemini API key on Google. So just click there, and then just go to get a Gemini API key on Google Studio. So just click there, just wait a little bit, and then let's go to get an API key. Okay, so here I consent and just accept these terms, just continue, and then just click here on create an API key, and here we create the API key was generate. So just copy this, and that's it. That is how we can get an API key Gemini very easy. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like.